14th of October 2020. Here's Säästäjänkuja, I think.
Yeah.
There used to say, was it Peltolammi?
Peltolammi.
Peltolammi.
Yeah.
In Tampere, of course, Pirkanland region, Finland. This one has 7 floors, but the basement floor is locked off. And it was built in 1967 by ValmetSchlieren. Look, here is the emergency number since the 1st of January 1993.
Yeah.
And it's turning 55 years old in 2022. The serial number is VS1075 and it will be installed next year, 2021.
Yeah.
And the capacity is 4 persons, 10-20 grams. Amazing find. I don't believe it has memory.
Yeah.
Still found something original here.
Yeah.
Now it doesn't have memory.
Yeah.
Even though I think that memory function was introduced in the late 1960s. But in this case it wasn't made here. I think it's where 1968 have it and 69 have it also.
Yeah.
And I write is appropriate because all the other elevators in this area have been replaced or modernized.
Yeah,
or new builds.
Yeah, but there are still one 1968 building.
We'll go to it.
Yeah. It's going to be modernized in next year or something, or 2022 probably. I'm not sure, but still.
Yes, but we'll go to them.
Yeah. Expected Pakiwines maintained by
Yeah. Alright, thank you for watching.
That's